A big myth we have, most tomato farmers have in Uganda, is that these local soils, they are fertile enough to sustain tomatoes on a large scale, which is not true. Our soils have lost fertility, and if you want to gain more from tomatoes, you need to support the soils. With both the organic and inorganic fertilizers. My name is Chiza Rogers. I'm a field agronomist for Agronomic in Nakapilipiti district. And today we are back here on our tomato demo garden. We are going to learn some few things on tomato growing, on how you can get some money from a small portion of land from tomatoes. Tomatoes, they are crops which can give you money in a very short time. Very short time. Now, like these ones, we planted on 27th of April. Today it is 13th of July. So meaning they have taken over 70 days, 70 to 73 days. And as you can see, we are doing our first harvest. Our first harvest from these tomatoes. So, as you can see, these tomatoes, they gave us a lot of fruits. At least per plant, we have over 60 fruits, 60 to 70 fruits per plant. How can we get to that? Starting with the variety, the seed. When you are going to plant tomatoes, you need to get a good variety. Specifically, we always recommend hybrid varieties. Like this one here, it is called Captain F1, and it is a very good variety. Within 75 days, we are harvesting the first harvest, and we can do harvest in 2 months from now, as we are harvesting almost every week. Yeah, so this Captain F1, it is an hybrid variety. That's why you see this is a garden of 10 by 10 meters. 10 by 10 meters. But as you can see, the way it has given us fruits, we expect to get something big from these tomatoes. So first of all is the seed. The seed, you have to go to the shop, you ask for a good hybrid seed if you want to get enough harvest, good harvest from tomatoes. Ask us agronomists, ask the shop attendants. Don't just go there and say, I want tomatoes to plant. No, ask them, I want a good tomato, which is tolerant to diseases, which is tolerant to this extreme heat. Then they will give you options, they explain to you, you can see what to take. Then if you want to get a lot of tomatoes, you have to follow the agronomic practices. Agronomic practices starting from nursery bed, how you care for a nursery bed, how you transplant, how you prepare your main garden. You have to follow. These tomatoes, they are one of the crops which are liked more by diseases and pests. These tomatoes have a lot of pests, both chewing, sucking, these borers, and it is liked by diseases. The wilts, the leaf spots, the blight, all they like attacking tomatoes. So you have to follow good agronomic practices. You have to keep field sanitation in order to prevent all those problems. That's when you will get enough from the tomatoes. So tomatoes, starting from the beginning, after getting the knowledge on good seed, now you have bought the seed, you have the seed. Remember, these hybrid seeds are expensive, so you have to account for every seed. So prepare your nursery bed very well in a raised soil, as we have seen in previous episodes. Prepare nursery beds. It is the same for tomatoes. Raise the nursery bed up to a height of half a foot, at least half a foot, but it should be even be a foot. Then put lines. Don't broadcast your tomatoes. Put lines, and most especially if you can have the cow dung, ready decomposed cow dung, you mix in the nursery bed before you introduce your seeds. Put the seeds, shelter the seeds. They will germinate within 4 to 5 days. Put a shade of 1 meter ahead. Keep watering. Keep monitoring to see if they are attacked by pests and diseases. You control until they reach transplanting. Tomatoes are always ready within 3 weeks. 3 weeks, that is 21 days. At most, you shouldn't let your tomato seedlings be still in the nursery bed for a month and above. If not that, you will see them flowering. You will see them starting to flower when they are still in the nursery bed. So by 2 weeks, if you have been watering, caring for them very well, they are ready to be transplanted in the main garden. Thanks for watching me. My name is Chiza Rogers, as I've said, Field Extension Officer for Agronomic in Akapiripi District. Today we are here on tomato growing, and I hope you have learned something that will help you in the nearby future. Please, for more guidance, for more help, or for questions, don't forget to contact us on our social media platforms. That is on YouTube, we are on Facebook, we are on LinkedIn, we are on X. So don't forget to contact us on our social media platforms at Agronomic. We shall be able to help you in time. Thanks for watching once again. We meet in the next episode.